Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Airless paint sprayer machines have revolutionized the way individuals and professionals approach painting projects. These innovative tools offer unparalleled efficiency, speed, and precision compared to traditional painting methods. By utilizing high-pressure technology to atomize paint into a fine mist, airless paint sprayers ensure smooth and even coatings on various surfaces, ranging from walls and ceilings to furniture and outdoor structures. The versatility of airless paint sprayers makes them indispensable in a wide array of applications, from residential renovations and commercial projects to automotive refinishing and industrial coatings. Whether you're a seasoned contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or a professional painter, investing in a top-quality airless paint sprayer can significantly streamline your painting process and deliver professional-grade results with minimal effort. Number 5. FengKe FK-595 Airless Paint Sprayer Machine. The FengKe FK-595 electric paint sprayer is a powerhouse tool for renovation teams and DIY enthusiasts alike. Boasting a sleek design in a vibrant blue color, this airless spray gun combines power and efficiency to deliver professional-grade results. One of the standout features of the FK-595 is its impressive power output. With a robust 2600 W motor, this sprayer can tackle even the toughest painting jobs with ease. Whether you're painting walls, ceilings, or furniture, the FK-595's high-powered performance ensures smooth and consistent coverage every time. Number 4. Charhs CH395 Airless Paint Sprayer Machine. The Charhs CH395 Airless Paint Sprayer is a powerful and efficient tool designed to make painting tasks easier and more convenient. With its robust construction and impressive features, it's a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of the CH395 is its powerful 1100 WPM DC motor, which ensures consistent performance and reliable operation. This motor type is known for its durability and efficiency, allowing users to tackle various painting projects with ease. Number 3. JESSDOM 1095 Airless Paint Sprayer Machine. As an avid DIY enthusiast and occasional semi-professional painter, I've had my fair share of experiences with different paint sprayers. Recently, I had the opportunity to try out the JESSDOM 1095 Airless Paint Sprayer, and I must say, it has truly exceeded my expectations in every aspect. First and foremost, let's talk about performance. This machine boasts a powerful AC 220V 3500W motor, which delivers a consistent flow rate of 7 liters per minute at an impressive pressure of 22 MPa. Whether I was spraying putty coating or latex paint, the JESSDOM 1095 handled each task with ease, providing a smooth and even finish every time. The plunger-type design ensures reliable operation and minimizes the chances of clogging, even when dealing with thicker paints. Number 2. FengKe FK-1095 Airless Paint Sprayer Machine. First and foremost, let's talk power. With a robust 4000 W motor running on 220V, this sprayer delivers an impressive level of force, ensuring smooth and consistent paint application every time. Whether I'm tackling a large exterior project or fine detailing indoors, the FK-1095 never fails to deliver a flawless finish. One of the standout features of this sprayer is its airless design, specifically tailored for oil painting applications. This design eliminates the need for compressed air, resulting in reduced overspray and a more controlled painting process. The result? Sharper lines, smoother finishes, and minimal wasted paint. Number 1. FengKe FK-2030 Airless Paint Sprayer Machine. The FengKe FK-2030 Airless Paint Sprayer Machine is a powerful tool designed for professional and DIY painting projects alike. With its robust construction and impressive features, this machine delivers reliable performance and exceptional results. One of the standout features of the FK-2030 is its powerful 4000 W motor, which provides ample power for tackling even the toughest painting tasks. Whether you're painting large surfaces or intricate details, this machine delivers consistent and precise results every time. Thanks for watching this video.